Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Cosecant of 3x we change into 1 over sine 3x. Cotangent 3x we change into cosine 3x over sine 3x. Next, we multiply sine 3x on numerator and denominator. This one sine 3x with 1 over sine 3x, you got about number 1. Sine 3x multiplied by cosine 3x over sine 3x, you got cosine 3x. So this one we can write into 1 minus cosine 3x. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 minus cosine 3x. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u equals to, because first derivative of number 1 you got about 0. First derivative of cosine 3x, we have negative 3 sine 3x, but we have the negative in here. So that means we have positive 3 sine 3x dx. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we divide both sides by number 3. This one we change by u. Sine 3x dx we change by du over number 3. The integral of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about 1 minus cosine 3x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.